What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a hair tutorial for you guys. I need to do something with my hair, so I'm going to be doing this cute little hairstyle. It has to be like 30 minutes. If you're interested in that video, stay tuned. I'm just going to start off by parting my hair. Like, I want a few singles in the front, so I'm just going to do a few singles in the front, like probably from ear to ear, like right here. It doesn't have to be neat, it just needs to be. Now I'm going to put that away. Blue Magic Indian Hemp, I'm going to be using that. I have a little bit left, but that's going to last me quite some time. It lasts a long time. I'm going to be using my favorite edge booster, Style Factor edge booster, and then I'm just going to rub that in, brush that in. And then rubber band this. Okay, so I'm just going to be repeating the same exact thing. I'm going to be applying Blue Magic to my scalp and then using the edge booster just to give it a smooth look. I also went ahead and twisted my ends. That's optional. The only reason I twisted my ends is because these rubber bands that I'm using are very cheap, and they pop very easily. So I just went ahead and twist my ends just in case they pop. Okay, and as you can see, I'm going to be parting slightly behind my ears, just to get that half up, half down type of look. It's pretty self-explanatory, just watching. So I like to make sure that my hair is completely detangled. So I'm using my pick just to detangle my hair a little bit. And then I'm going to be putting my hair up. I like to tie my hair instead of using elastic bands. For me, that's just easier. And then I go ahead and I braid it as tight as possible, but not too tight. Okay, this is the bounce hair that I'm going to be using. This hair is like super frizzy, but it's okay because the frizzier it gets, the better it looks. So right here, you're just going to see me combining the hairs together. I like to do this because it gives me security, you know, when I'm crocheting the hair. It makes it easier for me to have like a nice solid piece to crochet on. So yeah, so I'm just combining them and then I'm just going to be crocheting the tips so that it's not visible. Okay, so I'm about to begin crocheting the hair. The goal is to just crochet the hair until you don't see any hair in the back. I did went ahead and use a mirror just to make sure that all my braids are covered. One pack should cover everything. And then later on in the video, you'll see that I unravel them slightly just to give it a fuller look and to make sure that everything is slightly covered or covered. Okay, so right here, as you can see, I'm just going to be crocheting above the rubber band so that the rubber band is not visible, because as you can see, these rubber bands are brown. And like I said, they're cheap, so I don't want them to be visible, and I don't want that if they pop, you could see it. I'm playing around with it, unraveling it, framing it to my face, and then to get the bob look, I just go ahead and I take some bobby pins and stick them in the back. You'll see how I do that, and that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.